Hey guys, this is David at Finish Line Factory, and behind me is my 2002 Mazda Miata, built engine, big turbo, and this car is such a piece of shit. So we put in the built engine, put the nice turbo on, did all this cool stuff, but either I installed it wrong, or more likely I think it was a old stock. The crank seal and possibly the cam seals are leaking profusely. So this car is kind of sensitive to where the seal goes in, and if you put it in too far or too far back, then it'll leak. But what I think happened, I believe that the seals that I got in the mail, those are like old stock, so they're brand new, but they've been sitting around for a while, so long that they've basically dried out. So unfortunately, now I need to remove all this stuff again, take the timing belt off and all these covers and belts and stuff to get at these seals. This is a 2 or 3 hour job. So I bought a couple of new magnetic trays to help organize my stuff. These are the existing ones. So I'm going to have to get into all this stuff. I thought I would never have to touch any of this again, but, well, got to do it. So over here, I've got a new seal kit. So this is for the oil pan gasket. Over here we got the front crank seal with additional stuff, for the oil pan pickup, water pump right there. And we have this is a rear main seal. Won't be installing this today, but I'm pretty sure that's probably leaking too. I mean, let's face it. All right, so I am going to get started on this and enjoy. Alright, take a look at this. There is just oil everywhere. And I think I found the issue. So there's the crank seal down there, there's a cam seal there, there's a cam seal behind this, and I don't think it's supposed to make that noise. So I'm going to pull that seal. You know what, it could just be the VVT actuator just spewing out stuff, but I'm going to see what's going on with that. Alright, so here's the deal. So the whole entire front of the engine was completely covered in oil, and yeah, it's a problem. So what I'm going to do, I already have one of these. This is from Flying Miata. This is a crank seal installation tool. Basically, you put this, you put the crank seal on the engine, line this up, and you put the factory bolt in, and you install it, and it installs the crank seal perfectly. I do not have this for the cam seals, which is probably why, by me attempting to install it, I probably did it improperly. So what I did was I used an extension like this, and then I would line it up on the engine, and then tap this with a light hammer, just light taps all the way around. Apparently doing that may have caused the seal to either become damaged or improperly installed. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to order the correct tools from Flying Miata so that I can get this going, and I'll be able to park in my friend's driveway without telling them, "Hey, I can't park in your driveway. My car leaks oil, despite me having a brand new engine in it." So this is where I'm going to stop the video here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys later. See ya. Bye.